So here at Bethania, it's where you park if you want to go up the Watkin Path to the summit of Yr Wyddfa. This information board will give you all the information you need before you set off. So this path is 8 miles long, 13 kilometres, and it takes the average person or the average group around 6 hours to get to the top and back. It climbs quite steadily, firstly through the woodland and then go with the river Cwm Llan up to Cwm Llan and then up, and after Bwlch Ciliau and Bwlch y Saethau it does get quite challenging with some loose rock and some scree up to the summit, and it's quite steep as well, so extra care is needed on that point, and especially on the way down as well. So remember, when you're at the top, you're just halfway, you need your energy to come back down as well. This car park can be extremely busy and it's not very big, so the best thing you can do is catch the S4 bus from Porthmadog, which takes all the stress out of parking, and you can arrive here and start your trip with no worries. Before you reach the path, do make the most of the toilet here in Bethania and also the water fountain to fill up your reusable bottle. Whilst you're on the path, please follow the countryside code just to show respect to the area and to the people who live and work here.